I built our home with bleeding hands, laid its brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fixed your tie, watched you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you are gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love is always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to call to hear you say that I remember who you are, but wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on this stage, old and tired, full of ache, not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same. I built a home with bleeding hands, laid its brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. Now I just talk to an empty sky.